Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video we can see the market is pretty much dead at the moment. It's moving sideways, slightly down today. A lot of FUD around the SEC, FUD around Binance, and we had the Fed as well announcing potential interest rate increases coming up. So yeah, the market hasn't really been doing much apart from pretty much trickling down. So the way I'm looking at this whole thing though is this year, 2023, is the time to be buying, accumulating, and really getting into those solid projects with strong foundation, strong fundamentals, and good teams behind them. Literally those projects that are building. So in today's video, what I'm going to bring you is 4 projects that I'm literally buying right now. I've accumulated a fair amount of, a fair decent sized bag on these specific projects. And yeah, I've talked about them before, but I'll talk about them again right now. And I'll just show you a little bit about how I kind of go around, when the market is red, what I kind of do and what my thought process is in around, purchasing good tokens out there and good projects. So let's get straight into it. Before that, let's take a look at the market and just kind of see what's going on. So as we can see here, down 1%, trading at 1.05 trillion. Bitcoin is down 0.7%, ETH is down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. However, in the last 7 days, you can see Bitcoin is roughly down 5%, ETH is down 3.4%. So Bitcoin now is trading literally only slightly above that 22,000 level. And yeah, it's dropped, a couple of grand or so in the past few days. Pretty much the market at the moment, there's a lot of reds you can see here. If I sort this by reds in the last 24 hours. Axis Protocol, however, seems to be doing pretty well. Sort this by red. You can see Singularity Net is down, IMX is down. A lot of these tokens are down, and if we take a look at the last 7 days, you can see they're down fairly significantly. Singularity Net down 25%, IMX 8%, Synthetics is down, Stacks is down 31%, the graph is down 17%. So if we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, Fear and Greed is currently trading at neutral, so it's been neutral pretty much. Well, yesterday, last week as well. Last month there was greed, so we had a bit of a mini type of bull run, or at least bullish momentum settling off in the market, and that kind of caused that greed in terms of the Fear and Greed Index. So if we just take a quick look at the charts here. I'm looking at Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin on the 4 hourly, we can see we're kind of trending downwards. We're kind of just trading sideways at the moment. So if I just pull in where's that little box? So if I pull in a little box, pretty much we're just trading within this range. So not really doing anything really, just trading within that range there. We kind of need to break, I guess, a key level would be 22.3k, and then potentially we could move up to that 22.3k there, and potentially then we can move up to 22.6, and yeah, that's kind of the levels that we need to be breaking. Stochastic RSI on the 4 hourly has kind of reset and seems to be moving upwards. So if I just pull in the Bollinger Bands here, so we can see we're currently on the lower end of the Bollinger Band, so we can potentially move up as the stochastic starts to move upwards as well. And the 200 EMA, we are now trading below on the 4 hourly. 100 EMA as well, we are trading below. Let's get rid of the 100 though. And 50 EMA, we're also trading below. On the 50 and the 200 EMA, it looks like obviously the 50 has dropped back down below the 200 EMA, so you can see that there. So there you can see the 50 EMA drop below the 200 EMA, so causing a bit of a death cross there. So obviously once that happened, when we got that death cross, we saw the market just kind of trickle down a little bit, and then now we're kind of slowly hedging our way upwards again. Hopefully we can break these key levels and then continue to move to the upside, but we'll see how it plays out. ETH on the other hand, just take a quick look. Let's just get rid of these EMAs and Bollinger Bands and so on. So here again, trading, you can see this trend line coming down, and pretty much if we pull in the box, again, we're just trading, we're ranging sideways, so we're just literally bouncing around within that region there. Bollinger Band currently at the lower end of the band, so potentially we could move upwards stochastic is kind of in the middle, so we're not really, we just seem to be going sideways at the moment. So hopefully we can get some momentum and push upwards. Obviously with the Mt. Gox release as well of Bitcoins, and also the Shanghai Ethereum news, I feel like some of it's been priced in, but there still is uncertainty around obviously when these tokens unlock as well. So I guess that's kind of playing into these numbers. As we can see, you know, the charts are literally just moving sideways. 50 EMA, we're trading below, so we kind of need to hit that 50 EMA. That's kind of like a level of resistance at the moment, and then we need to break that and continue on to the upside. 200 EMA, so again we had a bit of the death cross, so we had a death cross there, 50, trading below 200, ended up seeing the price go down massively and then slowly creeping back up again. But like I was saying, guys, a bit of uncertainty in the market at the moment, with the, you know, the whole Mt. Gox thing, and Ethereum Shanghai upgrade as well. So potentially more tokens to be released to the ecosystem, and potentially you could get investors, you know, really just selling off. So anyways, tokens that I'm looking to buy and already have started to accumulate on. I've made videos on them as well in the past, so you guys know I'm I've literally been accumulating these bags for some time now. So firstly, you know, in the top 100, I kind of filtered on last 7 days, had a look and seen what's dropped significantly in the last 7 days, and kind of looked at, you know, what projects I am actually interested in accumulating. Obviously MINA here is one that I've made a video on, and you can see here down 22.4% in the last 7 days, trading at 72 cents. And so MINA is a proof of stake blockchain focused on privacy and security, and looks to use the whole zero knowledge proof within transactions, very scalable, and is also the world's lightest blockchain as well. So a lot of good features around MINA, and potentially could, you know, if they can deliver what they've set out to achieve, then potentially could bring along a lot of mass adoption. Because if you think about it, if you're able to access your crypto or your blockchain on a mobile device, because the weight of the blockchain is so small, then this seems to be absolutely incredible in what they're looking to achieve. So yeah, at the moment 72 cents down, it was like 20 odd percent or whatever it was in the last 7 days, and circulating supply is currently 861 million. So still a little bit to be released to the ecosystem, but not massive amounts. You can see market cap 624 mil versus a fully diluted valuation of 730 mil. An all-time high for this is $9. So there is a lot to potentially be gained from this point, I guess, from this 72 cents level to this $9. So, you know, come the next bull run, I easily see this breaking that $9 level and moving up to like $50 or so. Great project, great fundamentals, great team, and very innovative in what they're looking to achieve. The next project that I'm literally loading up on is one that I believe you can't really go wrong on, and that's IMX. So IMX at the moment, so you can see trading below $1 again, down 11% in the last 24 hours. So literally accumulating at these levels. Circulating supply is 850 million tokens. Total supply is 2 billion. So you can see still a fair amount of tokens pretty much to be released to the ecosystem. All-time high for this was $9.52. And do I believe we'll get there again? Yeah, I definitely believe we'll get there. I mean, IMX is one of the biggest gaming metaverse plays out there. A lot of partnerships, great partnerships, focused on ZK as well, ZK technology, zero gas fees on trading NFTs, very scalable, a layer 2 for Ethereum, or a layer 2 which is operating on the Ethereum blockchain. And yeah, it's got a lot going for them. So last 7 days we're down 9%, so not as much as MINA protocol, but I'm still literally looking to accumulate at these levels, because this could be one of the biggest, the the biggest tokens or projects come the next bull run, in my opinion anyways. So mega bullish on IMX and MINA as well, by the way. Next project that I'm loading up on at the moment is Flow. And again, guys, I've made some videos on Flow. You know, I'm major bullish on them. So at the moment, trading below $1 as well, down roughly 4% in the last 24 hours. So a billion tokens circulating, max supply is 1.4 billion, and last 7 days down 16%. So yeah, a pretty decent retracement there. A good I guess opportunity to get in and purchase Flow if it's on your list of, you know, projects to be you know, bagging up on. So last 14 days you can see down 26%. Anyways, all-time high for this token, $42, so down 97% off that value. So do I believe we'll get back to that $42 come the next bull run? And I definitely think we will. So again, proof of stake blockchain, they've got some hot partnerships out there. They've literally partnered with the likes of Ticketmaster, Meta, Insta, NBA as well, so NBA Top Shots, UFC, NFL. I mean, the list is literally endless. So yeah, I definitely am bullish on Flow in the longer term. And I guess lastly, out of the 4 tokens I was going to give you guys, is GALA. So GALA, I've made a lot of videos on them. Currently trading at 3 cents again, down 7.7%. Last 7 days down roughly 14%. Last 14 days down 26%. And all-time high is 82 cents for this token. So currently we are 96% off that value. And yeah, guys, GALA, you know, it's basically an overall entertainment ecosystem. So gaming, music, movies, you know, they've got the whole thing going from an entertainment perspective. They've got, you know, really hot games out there, Walking Dead and so on. They've got a mobile gaming studio which they've literally brought on board, and literally are rolling out mobile games as well. So, you know, really hitting that target audience. And also got some of the hottest collaborations within the music industry. So Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube, some other big artists as well. And literally from a filming perspective, they've got partnerships with the likes of The Rock and Mark Wahlberg as well. So they are literally delivering on all aspects of entertainment. Hence the reason why I'm mega bullish on GALA. But guys, you know, these are 4 picks that I gave you today. 4 tokens literally that have had fairly decent I guess retracements in the last 7 to 14 days. So a pretty good time for me to be you know, bagging up and accumulating and DCAing on these projects, because I do believe that these have strong fundamentals and definitely have a solid future out there for these projects come the next bull run anyways. So guys, this is purely my opinion, not financial advice. Do your own research. Hit me up on the comments below. Let me know what you think about the those specific tokens, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.